How to use one WhatsApp account on two phones. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video I'll guide you on how you can use one WhatsApp account on two phones, so make sure to watch the video till the very end. If you want to use your one WhatsApp account on two or more of your devices, it is actually very simple to do so. But first of all, there are a couple of things that you might want to remember. The very first thing, of course, you want to check is to simply open up WhatsApp. Once you open up WhatsApp, you're going to see this type of interface. You can see I'm logged into one of my accounts. If I want to log into another account, what I have to do is I need to have the QR code on that account. So it could be that you're logging in from your browser. You can go to web.whatsapp.com, or it could be you're logging in from a desktop app. You can download the desktop app and simply get the QR code. Once you have your QR code with you that you might want to log into, you can link so by opening WhatsApp on this phone, tapping the three dots option that you can find here, looking for this option known as link to devices. When you tap on link to devices option, over here you'll be able to find this option known as link a device. All you have to do is just make sure to tap on it. Make sure to authenticate with your fingerprint. Once you authenticate with your fingerprint, you just have to click on OK. Make sure to scan the QR code of your account over here, which I told you to get it earlier. Once you've done that, your WhatsApp account will be linked and both of your phones or devices can use WhatsApp without any issues. This way you can use WhatsApp on two phones. Hope this video was very helpful. If it did help you, then make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. If you have any questions, then feel free to leave them down. Thank you for watching till the end of this tutorial, and see you soon in the next video.